Hi there, and welcome to the ProxySale channel. My name is Andrew. Today I'll show you how to use Puppeteer for web scraping. Puppeteer is a Node.js library that provides high-level APIs for automating Chrome or Chromium browsers. By using a proxy with Puppeteer, you can route network requests through intermediary servers. To configure a proxy, use the command displayed on your screen. You can also find it in the video description, but don't forget to adjust the values as needed. In this command, replace the values in the proxy server line with your proxy's IP address and port, separated by a colon. For a private proxy, use this format: IP, port, username, password. Replace the example side with your desired one for automation processes below. Now you are ready to launch and work. The setup is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.